Hello guys, welcome to our 7th day of Christmas videos, making Christmas projects for 7 days. We're going to be making them for 12, but this is our 7th day. Today we're going to be talking about paper pumpkin, and I'm going to show you how to retrofit your paper pumpkin to meet your needs. So we're going to show this past paper pumpkin kit. You can't buy this kit. I'm just showing you what you can do with a paper pumpkin kit to make it yours. And we're sticking with our 12 days of Christmas. I want to make sure and talk about paper pumpkin today because we have a special that ends today, December 9th, if you're watching this live. Actually, this is pre-recorded. I have appointments tomorrow, but I'm launching this on the 9th. So, oh my goodness, camera's acting crazy. So, this is Cogbill, and my business is called Paper Made Prettier. We're talking about 12 days of Christmas, and we're on day 7. So every day at around 1 Central, and when I announce, if it's not at 1, I'll announce it that morning. We are going to make Christmas projects, and you need to make sure and subscribe to my YouTube channel or follow me on Facebook so that you won't miss one of those videos. Make sure that you know and take full advantage of my ordering special. When you spend $50, you're going to get 33 holiday tutorials from me. When you spend $75, you're going to get the 12 Advent calendar tutorials once that's done. Make sure and subscribe to my email so you get tutorials, pictures of all these projects. And we'll talk about the Fun Fall class in a minute. So we have Paper Pumpkin. And if you are a subscriber to Paper Pumpkin, you know exactly how fun this is. People may wonder, why is it called Paper Pumpkin? Well, gosh, it was launched probably, I'm guessing 10 years ago-ish. I have no idea. And it was supposed to be like the carriage that came and picked up Cinderella and took her to the ball. Okay, so your paper pumpkin kit is like the carriage that takes you to a crafting ball without any effort. So this sweet kit comes, it bills every month. It's a subscription, okay? And for the Cyber Monday sale, then you want to take advantage of the prepaid paper pumpkin. This is, you pay up front and then you get a code, you cash it in, and you get the paper pumpkin starts. This particular special, your paper pumpkin is going to automatically start in December. Okay, so you can't like cash it in when you want to, like it just starts. Oh, my nails are so terrible. So for the special that ends today, that's why we're talking about it, December the 9th, you can get $20 off the 3-month, $40 off the 6-month, and $80 off the 12-month prepaid paper pumpkin kit. This is a perfect Christmas gift to yourself or to yourself and someone else. You could give it to someone else as well, and you could get together and do it together. So make sure and take advantage of this today by end of day so that you can get such a huge discount on your paper pumpkin. So what it is it comes in the mail in this cute orange box, and you may have a sneak peek of the projects, but it's not something that like you see like, oh, I'm gonna go buy that. It's a subscription, so it's a surprise in some ways, and I love that. I love surprises, and I loved having an easy crafting kit in the mail. Now this kit was from May of 2025. It's kind of manly, and so I really wanted to use it, and I saw these trees, and I was like, let's go Christmas with this. And I've been really loving this stamp set called Pine Tree Trimmings. We used it on one of our 12 days of Christmas to make a project. Let me see if I can find it. I think it was which one was it? Oh, yeah, it was the hot chocolate packet. So we used it to make our little hot chocolate packet, our chocolate packet on day whatever, 4, can't remember. And I wanted to use it with this set. It just comes together perfectly. So, and I went ahead and stamped and die cut a couple of trees ahead of time from the Pine Tree Trimmings Bundle. I used the Misty Moonlight and Mossy Meadow. So in your paper pumpkin kit, what you're going to get is an ink spot, so Misty Moonlight, and a full stamp set. Now this goes with the kit. Happy birthday, I love you, best dad ever, you're the greatest, happy Father's Day, you mean the world to me, and to a wonderful man. Then we have some birds. Okay, so that's if you want to make the projects exactly as the instructions show you. Let me show you the instructions. So usually I just kind of pull the instructions out and look at the front, and that's enough for me. You can also open them and you can see it's going to give you step-by-step instructions about what to put where, dimensionals here, stamp here, right? So you don't have to do any guesswork, but you can also just kind of wing it and look at the page. So up to you, dealer's choice as to how you want to do that. And then you're going to have in your box, you're going to have goodies to make usually 9 cards if it's cards. Okay, we have other items. We have sometimes treats. We have home decor. There's a lot of cards, but you're going to have these cute card bases. So 3 of each for this particular kit. And then you're going to have some die cuts typically. These are die cuts that we're not going to use for the Christmas projects. More die cuts and lots of cool labels. So you can save those for later. And one of the best features is fancy envelopes. Okay, so we love that. And look, this one had this huge page of dimensionals. So score. All right, but we're only going to use, we're actually not going to use this stamp set that came with the paper pumpkin kit. We're going to use the Pine Tree Trimmings set to Christmas it up. All right, so we're going to start with our this card, and we are going to add, actually in the kit itself is a die cut tree. So we're going to pop that out. It just kind of spoke Christmas to me. It's very serene. It looks like a tree that you might see out in the woods. Now, I'm going to go ahead and stamp that before I fold it. And we're going to use, you could use your Misty Moonlight ink spot. I'm going to use the Misty Moonlight that I have on my shelf. I like to save my stamping spots for gifts. But, oh, Christmas tree. Honestly, you could just send that and be done. But we do like to be dramatic. So we're going to add some dimensionals to this Christmas tree grouping. So my point with this video is this was not an obvious Christmas kit, okay? This was a Father's Day kit. And the great thing about you guys being so creative is you can open up the box and you can say, oh, what else can I do with that? I figured this out in 5 minutes, okay? It's not rocket science. And you can do other things with it. So I'm going to put a little rhinestone here and some rhinestones on the tree just to say this tree is the Christmas tree, right? So it's out in the middle of the wilderness because the birds and animals of the forest have decorated like Snow White or something. So we have a gorgeous Christmas card. Boom. Now, this next card I think looks like Christmas in Santa Fe. I don't know. It just speaks to me. And with that sunset, and the only reason I added birds to it is because I made a smudge on it. So I don't actually like the birds, so I'm just going to stamp 'Tis the Season, and hopefully I won't smudge it this time. So, Mossy Meadow, 'Tis the Season, and then I'm going to take a tree that I created with that Pine Tree Trimmings Bundle. I just stamped Mossy Meadow on Mossy Meadows. Nothing super fancy here. And we're going to stick that in the ground. And then we're going to pop our rhinestones on it. I love just our basic rhinestones. They're great for lots of things. And I really wanted just something very pretty and basic for the front of this card because we have already enough going on already. So another gorgeous Christmas card. All of our Christmas cards don't have to be frilly, sparkly. Well, I think they all should be sparkly, but they don't have to be frilly and fun. They can be serene and gorgeous, as I think these are. This last card makes me feel like the desert, and I love it. You don't have to have Christmas in the forest all the time. And we are going to stamp Sending Christmas Wishes with Misty Moonlight. Don't forget to stay to the end because I will reveal what's in the Advent box today. We've had 6 days. This is our 7th day of Advent calendar reveals, and I've got another gorgeous project that I made with the Advent calendar stamp set. And then we're just gonna put one rhinestone on this tree, and that is it. So in the matter of 5 minutes, I have created cards using a paper pumpkin kit that was not intended to be Christmas, and now it is. All right. So I want you to, I challenge you to subscribe to Paper Pumpkin and turn a kit into something else. Okay. I'd like to see what you do with it. Also, just a tip. If you go onto Pinterest and you type in Mountain Majesties Paper Pumpkin, you will get gobs of ideas using what's in it plus. Okay, so people like to post lots of projects with Paper Pumpkin, and especially since it's been out for a while, you're going to find a gajillion projects with that. All right, let's show you the other days of Christmas that we have done. We've made a hot chocolate packet. Yesterday we made a gift card holder, so cute. We made some tags, so make sure and go watch those videos so you won't miss another day of Christmas. We made a couple three cards, a fun fold card, and a little baking card. It actually matches our what do you call it? Our gift card holder. Okay, so those are the 12 days of, or the however many days we've done so far. And let's see what is in our Advent box. Now, before we do that, I want to show you what I've made with the Advent box so far. This is my newest project. We've got white embossed flowers on basic beige. We have a treat box with chocolate in it. So cute. That was from first day. We have some gorgeous cards. We've got the gold embellishments and these floral things. And then we have one more little 4x4 card. So we've so far made 6 projects using, I think 6. Let me see. Get my 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe I've only made 5. Okay, let's pop in. Now, I'm going to make tutorials for all these projects when I'm done. So that's something that if you've purchased the Advent kit and you're on my team, you'll get those for free. And also, if you purchase $75 from me or more during the 12 days of Christmas, then you will get that tutorial as well. The Advent calendar is $99, so you would obviously get all the tutorials if you purchase it. And Stampin' Up! Has made some tutorials as well, so just reach out to me and I can send those to you. They have those on our website. All right, let's check out day 7. Ooh, I love these. They're like a jumbo postage stamp kind of die. Very different, a little different, bigger than the ones that we have called perennial postage. So I love, and you will be seeing these on a future card, I'm sure. So day 7 is in the books. I can't believe it's going to be over in 5 days. I love my Advent calendar. All right, so thanks for joining us for the 12 days of Christmas. Let me remind you that you are going to place an order with me to get the tutorials, $50 or more. This has to be by the 16th, I think is when it ends. We're just doing this on weekdays so you can count and figure out if we're on day 7. Also, I want to show you a gorgeous class I have coming up. It's called a Fancy Fold card class. It'll be on the, let me think about the days, the 16th. It's Tuesday, a week from tomorrow. So we're going to make all these fancy fold cards using the Brushed with Beauty suite. And you will want to sign up for that. I've got the link to sign up for that here in Facebook and also on YouTube. And the deadline to sign up for that is the 15th. So yeah, class is on the 16th. All right, and do not forget the Cyber Monday special. Oh, one more thing, product of the month. I've just got my piles of things around here to show you. When you spend $75 or more, you will also get the ability to purchase this True Blue Florals designer paper for only $5 from Stampin' Up. Be your own Santa and get that for yourself. And I can't wait to see what gorgeous things you make with that pretty paper. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Bye.